Hello guys, welcome back to what's the name of this place again? Oh yeah, Wall Street. And today, look at this. We're gonna do the Big Bird challenge with Big Bird, starring Big Bird. Hello, Big Bird.
Howdy. Would you like to go to the alphabet farm?
This is not looking appropriate.
Okay,
Big Bird, this is inappropriate. Big Bird, this is inappropriate. Please stop.
Press one of the flashing buttons.
That was inappropriate, Big Bird. Shame on you.
Welcome to the alphabet farm. I'm making alphabet soup, and I'm missing a very important ingredient.
What?
The letter R. Will you help me find it?
R. Here you go.
R.
I found R. Why is it lagging? Are you saying that my computer cannot handle this? Oh wait, no, it's not lagging. I'm just going a little bit slower up the hill. Incline problems. Touch you. That's not A. I mean, that's an A. There's an R. Arg. Oh, it's a chicken. Why is there a chicken? What am I doing to this chicken? It makes noise. Oh god, it's right there too. They're multiplying. I gotta run. Oh no, there's one right there. I hear a sheep. I hear a sheep and something else. It's something weird. Probably there's a bear. Scarecrow. Okay, I just gotta find two more R's and R. Why did the pirate... Why? 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 I didn't click an A. Why couldn't the boy watch the pirate movie? Because it was rated ARG. Sorry for copying SpongeBob. Spingebill is love, Spingebill is life. You know what? This game's actually pretty fun. You know what? That's not a joke. If I could, if I was around when the, we missed one though.
If you want to keep playing,
we missed one.
Press one of the flashing buttons.
I'm trying, Big Bird. But I would actually play this game, or would actually buy this game and play it on my Nintendo 64. Look at Big Bird. That's a creepy face. That is creepy. Please.
Now it's time to go letter picking in the alphabet orchard. Just bounce up to the trees and pick the letter R. It's fun.
Wait. He disappeared! Oh my god, where did he go? Big Bird just disappeared. Big Bird, where did you go? Big Bird? What? And then his truck disappeared. Okay, I think I found a glitch. Look, if I change the camera, where did Big Bird go? Okay, remember R. Look at that bunny. It's the Waluigi bunny.
Keep searching, and you'll find the letter R.
Here you are. Is that another R? That's a B. You troll. Trolled me. That's an R up there. There's so many B's. It tricks you into thinking that's an R. Like if you don't look carefully, you could actually pick a B and lose a life by accident. It's trying to trick me here, but I know it's tricks. I know Elmo's tricks up his. I know all the tricks Big Bird has up his sleeves. Okay, so I've been going down this little pasture. Are these eggplants? What are these growing on the trees? Oh, there's an R. Come to me. Yeah, but what are these eggplants? What are these things? Are they eggplants? They don't look like eggplants, but what they do, they look like eggplants, but I don't think they are. But what are those? Creepy. Uh-oh, wait, but we're missing two. Elmo, stop celebrating, we're missing some.
Keep playing, press one of the flashing buttons.
But we're missing some. What?
Welcome to the Alphabet Farm. I'm making alphabet soup.
Wait, what?
And I'm missing a very important ingredient. The letter R. Will you help me find it?
But I already did this. Do I have to do it again?
R.
You got it right.
I think I broke the game. I think I actually did corrupt some things.
You got it right.
Or maybe this is how it's supposed to be.
Elmo loves his ABCs.
Okay. Good job, Elmo.
We have to find the letter
No,
N to
not
make
this
the
thing. It
word
trolled me.
next.
Watch the last
Let's
episode and you'll
go.
see. This thing trolled me. This thing trolled me so hard last time. I did not mean to press that,
We
sorry!
have to find the letter N to make the word next.
If I screw up 2 more times, I'm dead. I did not mean to do that. This. There we go. Look at that. He does a little dance.
Next.
He does a little dance. Oh
We
my
have
god.
to find the letter T
Toe.
to make the word toe. Let's go.
T. There you are, T. That's a disgusting
We
picture.
did it.
That's a disgusting picture.
Makes the
That
word
picture is gross. So gross.
We have to find the letter
C.
C to make the word car.
Part of
Let's
my name.
go.
Okay, that's not C. That's not. Oh no, it's trying to troll me again. Gotta go over here. There you are, C. There we go.
Did it.
I did it.
C makes the word car.
We did it. Elmo, we did it, Elmo. Yeah, we did it. This frame
You
rate's
did a
amazing.
terrific job finding the missing letters.
Like when they change the camera, the frame rate looks amazing. But Ernie looks really weird. You see, Ernie looks really laggy. I don't know what it is, but he looks like that.
We're back on Sesame Street. Ooh, Elmo wonders what there is to see.
Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed Big Bird. And, yeah. So, next we're gonna do the final challenge that this game has to offer, and bye.